What is going on, guys? Jacob Bardoti here, back for another vlog, and today I want to show you guys my buddy Matt's S550. It's bagged and it's super clean. I know I just made a video recently of like why you should buy a 13-14, but his makes me really want to get a 15 plus because this thing is just ultra clean. Kind of showed you guys a car mech at his car, but I'm gonna do a like really thorough walk around now with him, and he'll show you guys all the things that have been done to his car. So this is Matt. You guys can follow him on Instagram. I'll have his Instagram down in the description below, but he's just gonna walk around and show you guys everything he's done to the car. And obviously this thing is just freaking slammed.
Yeah, so it does have the carbon fiber trunk, Anderson composite, with the rear diffuser.
Ooh, yeah.
It's got the 5-inch tips.
Oh yeah, those are giant tips. They fill it up really good though.
Yeah, they do. Yeah. Yep. It's got Ferrata FR1 wheels, 20 by 10.5. Front, 20 by 11.5 in the rear. 20 by 11.5. And look at that fitment, guys. That's aired out. He is on bags. Let's talk about your bags. Yeah, it's the 3P system installed by myself. It was a great system. It's the digital monitors. It's not manual. So it's definitely the system to go. Yeah.
I think I really want to get 3P on my car, which is sitting right over there, and a little hint of another video that will be coming out over there. But right now we're focusing on Matt's car. This thing is insanely clean. The tint, like, it's basically impossible to see in there. It's just like I'm looking back at myself, which is pretty awesome. The black 5.0 badges, which is always a good thing. I have the black ones on my car. That front fitment, those front wheels. Let's show off the interior, because that's something I really love about his car and his spec.
So it does have the Raceline red interior, which is one of the rarest leather interiors.
Super rare leather interior. It is a GT Premium, which mine's a base. It's even got a, oh dude, this looks so sick. I love the red. I know I did yellow on the calipers. What do you guys think about doing like a bit of yellow throughout my interior? Maybe not that much, but like a little hint. That's what I'm kind of thinking going forward with my car and my build. Also, my boy right here's got the pony projectors. That's something my mom's car has. I don't even have that, but it's pretty rare and something small, but it's pretty cool. So now we're gonna pop the trunk and show you his airlift setup, because this was all done by him, which is really impressive. So right here, you guys can see this is his airlift setup. He's got the faux wood floor. He's also got the 2 compressors mounted there and a 5-gallon tank fully polished right there. This is all done by him. He's even got the stock subwoofer, which is pretty tight. And he's got lights and stuff to show it off. This is super clean for a garage built car. And I'm not meaning that in a bad way. I'm just saying most garage built cars are not done to this like specs. There's the underside of the trunk there, fully carbon. I think we need to go out for a test drive and see what this thing's all about. One, I've never driven a bagged Mustang. I really want bags. And then also 2, I've never driven a bagged S550. So I guess that kind of goes with both, but whatever. We're gonna go take it for a test drive and I'll let you guys know what I think. All right, so now we're in Matt's car. Gonna go ahead, leave the parking garage, do a quick little around town basically, and then we'll hit the freeway and come on back. Is that cooled seats? What? It's smooth though. The engine feels smooth, the clutch feels smooth. Everything's a little bit touchier.
Yeah, that's one thing I noticed from 11 to 14 to the S550s is everything in this car is a lot more touchier. Like the brakes are touchier.
No, it's a fully, I feel it's like a refined car for sure. Like those brakes, like instant.
I know. It took me a while to get used to them too.
Yeah, no, that's nice. Transmission feels really smooth. It's still the MT82, but it feels really, really smooth. I'm sure you guys can hear that right now, just in the beginning. He's got an exhaust on it. Oh, gotta beat the yellow. It's got an exhaust on it. Tell a little bit about what your exhaust is.
Right now, it's a catback exhaust, just pretty much straight piped from the catback.
Yeah, so pretty much like a muffler lead.
Yeah, almost. Muffler and resonator lead.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. So pretty cheap to do, I'm sure, because just 2 pipes and cutting pipes and stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah, but it sounds really good. It's got that deep throaty like sound that I really like. First impressions of bags, because this is my first car, especially first Mustang with bags that I'm driving. And I'm hopping on the freeway, and you guys can probably tell with the camera, it's not jarring, it's not like throwing me around. This is all really, really smooth. All right, so all you guys that are hating or talking about how S550s are more refined, I have to agree, they do have a lot more to offer. So you guys win. But I still like the look of S197s. He actually used to have an S197 as well. It was all white, but he never bagged that. But he did have a lot of performance mods on it. So it was around what, 500 wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he had a 500 wheel horsepower S197, and it was pretty insane. But now he bought his S550, and that basically, he said, put getting an S550, it's got to be bagged, and it's pretty clean. I mean, he's got the wheels, he's got stretched tires, but honestly, they don't ride terribly. And I'm sure if you had a little bit more sidewall and no stretch, it'd be even smoother.
Yeah, a lot of people, you know, will hate on the stretch and bag look. And honestly, with the position or with airlift, they did a great job. I mean,
yeah, no, this is. I mean, obviously the stretch tires and stuff, I don't want to just smoke it around some turns because I don't want to debeat. But yeah, I'm just coming off the freeway now, just hitting a little downshifting, and then it feels just the same as mine. Nice and smooth. Smaller steering wheel, which is pretty sporty feeling. I like that. But other than that, man, it's a Mustang for sure. It's got the sound on it. It's got the same transmission, but I'm loving it. And I didn't think I was going to love an S550 this much. I did test drive a black S550 before buying my car, which, I didn't really love it that much. But this one, the way it's done, feels really good. I don't want to give it too much to spin it, but no, it's cool. It rides pretty good. To be honest, it almost rides like it shouldn't because it's too smooth, it's too refined. It's almost like it's a GT car again. It is supposed to be something bumpy and scary. Quieter than mine, but smooth. Gets up to speed, no problem. All right, so let's talk a little bit about his plans for the car because it's quite built now, but everyone has that itch where they want to keep doing stuff. So let's ask Matt here, what are the plans for this car?
The plans now, even though as much as I love the exhaust now, probably full set of headers, long tube headers, and then obviously some mufflers to go along with it.
Yeah. Some Corsas?
Yeah, Corsa Sports or the Corsa Extremes, definitely. I think that they definitely make the best mufflers around. So either that or next to include is probably either a wide body or.
I'm really trying to get them to not wide body it. It's just so clean stock body. Like it just has. I think they just look so good stock. I don't want to see the bolted on flares. I told him if anything, wait until there's a molded wide body, kind of like the Shelby Super Snake. If you guys have seen that has a molded wide body, which just looks extremely clean. So yeah, I'd say wait for that. He doesn't daily drive it, but it feels like it's just as comfortable as a daily driven car. Like there's nothing insane that's jarring me. It doesn't feel like I have a backache after a while. These seats are really nicely bolstered, which is a big change from the 14 or 11 to 14 premium seats. The leather, those ones really don't have too much bolstering compared to these, so that's pretty impressive. Just realized he's had traction control on or off this entire time, so he's trying to kill me. And it's actually not bad though. Like they're not super meaty tires, as you guys can see. It's a stance-built car, and it's totally fine. Like it's not even spinning tires. And I'm rolling onto it a bit, but it's totally fine. What tires are on it?
Right now, I have the Nitto Motivos.
Also Nittos, yeah.
Yeah, so I had Nittos, and I also ran a set of Pirelli P0s.
P0s are trash. They spin.
Yeah, so I stuck with the Nittos because I knew this was definitely the tire to go. So.
Yeah, see right there was a pretty big bump while he was talking. Didn't even feel it, it's just like a cloud. So all this is doing is really hurting my bank account because I really want to go bags. And he's said he wants to help me install them, and he's got the knowledge to do it. You saw his trunk setup that he did himself. I think this is the guy I'm gonna go with. Matt's super nice. You definitely gotta show him some love on Instagram. I'll obviously have it down in the description below. Follow along because he has a lot of plans for this car, and I heard he might have a little bit of carbon in store. So hopefully you guys will be subscribed to his channel, which is probably gonna start up here pretty soon. And now that I said it, he has to do it.
Now I'm obligated.
Yeah, now he's obligated. He's been wanting to do a channel, but after seeing me and showing my process and stuff like that, I think he's finally gonna do it. So when he makes his channel, I'll definitely put it in the description if it's not already. But definitely show some love to my boy Matt. So I want to thank you for letting me drive your car. It was pretty sick. Definitely give him a follow. He's going to be making lots of changes, and I hope to see him making a YouTube channel here pretty soon.
Definitely.
I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up right here. So if you guys enjoyed, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.